So Lāoshī, this brings me to your next question. As you said, when you say to 120 hours, we define 120 hours of classes, but then there is also an effort which has to come from the student.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So many students or many learners, they believe, okay, so this is my number of classes I am doing, and I don't do anything beyond my classes, and I should become fluent or I should achieve my goal. But that's not required. That's not possible. Yeah. So what do you think, how much time a student has to spend outside the class to, achieve his or her goal?
Yes, because if you really want true progress, your homework goals are very important. So after the class, I would at least suggest, if you are a student, okay, just learning to achieve something in Chinese, have an added feather in your cap, you want to have a certificate, then that's a different thing. Then you really need to be very serious and put in like an hour every day, remembering all the words. If you don't want to do the characters, it's fine. At least the words along with the pinyin, which is the alphabet system, and the tones. This has to be like every day. Like every day you're doing any other subject, this has to be a part and parcel of your everyday life. You need to put in that 1 hour. But again, if you are a very busy, a business person, or you are a person who travels to China often, or you have something to do with Chinese every day, then I would at least suggest start with a 15 minutes, of doing something every day. Consistency is what it takes to learn Chinese, right? It's not hard. If you put it in, I have many students who are absolutely amazing. See, there are people who've lived in China for 15 years. I've lived there for 28 years in China. And I've, like Sonia introduced. But the thing is, how many people actually speak Chinese just by living in China? Many people, they don't. Because they don't form a social circle with Chinese friends. Right? But those of them who have Chinese friends, yes, day in and day out, they listen to Chinese. So listening is what is number one. When you start listening more, you start comprehending then, and then you start learning, right? So I suggest, again, if you have native friends whom you can use your Chinese, that's well and good. But otherwise, at least have 15 minutes every day after class, and every day basis. If you're able to just repeat, and that's what we call it as 复习. 复习, so 你一定要每天复习. Every day, put up the good habit of doing something, repeatedly, and it's successful.
Yes. So very rightly said, Lāoshī. Yes, we need to. It again depends whether you want to put 15 minutes or you put 1 hour. It's like whatever you have learned in a class, before you come for a next class, you should revise and know the words or grammar points, whatever you have learned. It will definitely help, teacher as well as students, right?
Absolutely. The class becomes so much more productive. There are two words in Chinese. One is called 复习, one is 预习. So 复习 is something that you read what you've already done. That is a revision. And 预习 is nothing but, reading ahead. Yes, if you have that capacity, reading ahead what we're going to do in class.
Right.
So these two are very important. Yes.
Yeah. So I remember, Lāoshī, when I was in Shanghai, 我在学校的时候, I was very excited because I love this language, and I always was very excited what's coming in the next chapter. So I used to go through the vocabulary before teacher teaches, and that really helps you. And yes, that motivation again has to come from a student as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.